Solve problem of HP Deskjet 3755 unable to print. 2 quick solutions. Method 1. Carry out simple problem solving. Step 1. Navigate to the printer display panel and tap the Wi-Fi button to reactivate the connection in case it was turned off by itself. Step 2. Examine to verify if the input tray is devoid of contents. Step 3. If there are no sheets of paper, fill it up. Step 4. Then, open the door to access the ink cartridges and check for any paper or debris that may be trapped inside. Step 5. Remove any jammed paper or debris before closing the ink cartridge access door. Method 2. Monitor ink quantity. Step 1. To utilize HP Smart App, simply locate the search icon on the window and proceed to search for and open HP Smart App. Step 2. You should be able to view the approximate ink level if your printer is connected. Step 3. To access HP Print and Scan Doctor, simply select the Windows search icon and search for it before opening the tool. Step 4. In HP Print and Scan Doctor, start by selecting your printer and then proceed by clicking on Next. Step 5. Navigate to the top menu bar and click on Printer, then choose Supply Levels. Step 6. It is important that you are able to view the levels of ink. Step 7. Click on the Windows search icon, search for your printer model name, and click to open the HP Printer Assistant already installed on your computer. Step 8. Click on the estimated ink levels in order to verify the ink level.